I don't think y'all can see that, guys, but y'all did it. 1,000 views under 24 hours. We have 151 likes under 24 hours and 105 comments. I just want to say a big thank you to all the subscribers that are watching this right now. If you're new, welcome to the channel, guys. There's a lot more to come. I didn't even know I had support from V8 owners on this channel. I knew I was gonna get some hate from some people, and I didn't want to come off as a crybaby, as being upset. I promise you guys, I was not upset. I just wanted to get it off my chest. I wanted to address the situation. I just pretty much wanted to be an advocate for all the V6 owners out there. So sorry for the rant, guys. I'm not gonna be doing another rant like this, I promise you all. So today is Thursday, guys, which means it is cruise night today, and all that means is that all the cars come out and play. There's a friendly casual racing. There's the cops rating us at all the means. We're traveling back and forth, just having fun with our friends. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna strap on the GoPro to my forehead, and I'm gonna go throughout the whole night giving you guys full raw footage of everything that goes on. I'm not gonna be vlogging to you guys. I'm gonna act like the camera's not even there. Let me know, guys. It's gonna be just pure fun, exhaust everywhere, maybe some police action if they decide to raid us and kick us out. That's gonna be it. Again, I'm thankful for everything, all the support. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys later. What's up?
You're still home?
No, I'm driving.
Oh, it's just that you were at your house.
No, I'm driving. What's up?
Oh, no, it's the same way you had it left.
Oh, no, yeah. I'm here. I just met Barney right now. Like, literally just driving up, meeting Barney.
Oh, okay. I'll leave it up. Bye.
Okay, bye. I need 1 subscriber for 1,000, dude. I need just 1 more. Just 1. You don't have a second account? Ah, that cheating? Nah, don't give it to me. It has to be somebody else. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Don't mess with my feelings. Wanna go? Wanna go? After the car. After the car. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Hey, don't hit me. I was being hurtful. You're hurt.
Oh, I wasn't hurt. Everybody's. Some people are saying that I was hurt. I sounded hurt. I wasn't hurt. I wasn't hurt. It's all mad love. Did you like the video at least? Oh, this guy.
I disliked it.
Oh, you're one of them. Oh, because you have a V8, huh? Hey, that was some good rolls, dude. I kept up with you, and then on the high end you pulled off. I just need 1 more thing, and then I should be good. I need to get the gears. We're gonna go on the expressway. Get in. I don't know. Nah, I think we're fine. Just come down Trenton, and the coffee place is to your right. Well, I don't know what kind of place it is, but there's a lot of people, dude. Está bueno.
They're probably like, where can we park? I was like,
Dude, that's what I thought, dude. I thought they were gonna pull us over. So we did that pull under the frontage, and I was like, oh, that guy heard us.
But I like the Challengers in our club. Did you see the club decal?
Dude, this color's clean, man.
yeah, it's a nice color, bro.
It's, I think like Reptar green. Como Reptar, like from the Rugrats.
Yeah. Have you seen the grabber line?
No.
You know Big B TV?
I don't know.
Look on YouTube. Big B TV. Look at his freaking Mustang. And his I like.
Oh, it's the GT500. Yeah, the GT500, the Shelby.
No?
No? Okay.
The girls, the woman type.
Yeah, lady driven 956.
Yeah. They seem nice. Apparently they're hosting the next RGB show, man.
Oh, they think they're taking part of it. Yeah. The regular one. Dude, this one's nice, dude.
Yeah, it's
The wide body one?
wide body special.
I think the wide bodies are not the Chargers that are wide body, dude. You wanna check out over there or what? Gonna go over there, Barnes? Did it work? Didn't work? You gotta format unless you have some stuff in there. Dude, that's why I freak out now. Before I go recording, I check like everything works. What's the gym?
Let's get a pump on.
Oh, this is what you're talking about?
Yeah.
You said C6.
Not bad.
C8.
Yeah, see.
It's freaking
It's nice,
dude.
bro. It's really nice.
Hey, clickbait on a 1,000 subscriber vehicle. Dude, the leather. What, the outside? Yeah. Dude, this thing's something else, dude. It's awesome. It's a big step. I mean, the C7s are nice, but this is a big step up from the C7. I mean, I think like interior-wise, I like how it looks like.
It's just nice for overall. The color, like, if this color was available on the Chargers, I would have instantly got this color.
Dude, the blue one on the Chargers, dude. Oh, that was my favorite.
The indigo blue?
Dude, that one's beautiful.
I was gonna get that, dude, but then JC changed my mind. He said, nah, vete por el rojo. And I was like,
dude,
fuck it.
Dude, but a lot of people have red. Not a lot of people have that blue one.
I haven't seen that many reds,
There's
though.
oh, really? I always see red ones. I always think it's you.
I see reds, but it's RTs.
Oh, okay, okay.
The 5.7s. When you hear that, you know they
The
reds.
cam?
Like, that's a given. There's no way about it. It's over there.
Did I feel like an idiot walking around with my GoPro on my forehead?
I fell.
All for YouTube, all for the content. But we have permission apparently to be here, so there shouldn't be an issue. Dude, I'm still real into these, man. The C8s are nice, but something affordable, it's good. Like a C7. Oh look, Chris is here. What's up, Chris? I'll go over there, dude. Everything was packed right now.
Yeah.
What time did you get here?
7:15.
Oh, you got here real early then.
Right around the corner.
Oh, okay.
Where's Kevin?
Oh, what did you bring, the bike or what?
No, the GTI.
The what? Oh, the GTI, yeah. Nice. Do you came with Kevin then or? Cool. You know any other spots or do you think this is the only one?
This thing 23rd and Olana.
23rd and Olana? That's bad, isn't it? I mean, it's a new spot. We always go to the same ones. There's good lighting here too, and apparently we have permission, so there shouldn't be any issues.
By, Fit Labs, the guy named Vince, he owns it.
He owns it? Oh, okay.
So,
Yes! Finally!
he has a lack
Yes.
Hell yeah.
I finally hit 1,000. That's Gucci. Finally, bro.
Milestone giveaway.
Oh, I want to do a giveaway, a car giveaway. C8 giveaway. Oh, that clickbait.
I'm gonna give out a freaking C8 Corvette for you guys. I want to move 1,000 lucky.
Oh, dude, somebody messed with me, dude. Somebody unsubscribed. Oh, dude, somebody unsubscribed. Somebody messed with me.
Someone's fake.
It's me.
Someone's fake. Someone's fake, dude. Did you mess up with me? Did you mess around? 990? Yeah, you freaking jerk, dude.
What do you mean?
You unsubscribed or what?
No.
Nah, you liar, dude.
Oh, wait,
No, dude.
Does your sister still want the spoiler?
I think so. Ah, you jerk. You unsubscribed. You freaking prick. Look, it's going up again.
Let's go.
Nah, let's stop with the unsubscribing.
Hey.
Are you serious? Woo-hoo! Hey, can I ask you, what's the reason why they keep kicking us out? Because we go to different meets and they always kick us out, so.
So what's going on, man, is we're having a lot of...
Ooh, man down. Hey man, where are we heading at? Where? Oh, okay. You in it? Yeah. You're gonna go that way, dude.
Hey, just go straight and then turn left.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight, man. Then we'll head that way. Thanks. What happened here? Oh. Ouch. Oh man, hope they're okay, man. Pray to God that those guys are okay. It's a pretty bad accident. What the? There's lightning? Is that lightning? What? Do you have all the hands?
Oh, no. Just doing...
Whatever you do on your free time, buddy.
Yeah, you know.
Oh. Look at the sun, look at the sun, look at the man, look at the oh, look at the boo, look at the boo. Huh? I don't know about an underglow. I don't know. I mean, Chris can rock it good, but I don't know about me. Dude, this car's clean, dude. It's something I see like in most wanted. What?
Is it parked back in the phone?
Yeah, dude, it was bad, dude. The car was like into the pole or into the fence.
I guess that's where the state troopers are going.
Oh no,
right here,
dude, that's what I'm saying, dude. This is like Need for Speed back in the day. Like this, yeah. Dude, the color is like on point. It's like super clean. Like it's well done. Should have got one of these as a family car, dude. That would have been badass.
I think one of my friends would appreciate it.
I mean, it's not that crowded like the other one, so. Well, the guy's over there. I want to check out that Mustang. I'm gonna check out the wide body, dude. I want to do the mine.
Wait, hold on.
This is badass, dude. It's freaking badass. It's freaking cool, dude. I'm thinking already of getting the wide body kit, dude. Hey, I didn't hear you, dude.
I know, dude.
You hear that quiet?
Eco mode.
You're in eco mode or what? No te escuchaste. We just turned to go, oh, ¿qué pedo este güey? Yeah, the guy said as soon as people start revving and stuff is when the cops come. But it takes one person, dijo el vato. It just takes one. Digo, I know it's not you or it's not the rest of your friends. You go, but I know it's. I have it on video. I think. No, where the guy was telling me. I asked the car, hey man, can I ask you a question? Like, why are you here? Like, why are you kicking us out? We're not doing anything. Go, no, not you, but maybe somebody passed by racing on this street and you guys are here. Yeah. Nah. Dude, I'm gonna get one, dude. I'm gonna get it. Just watch. I'm gonna get one. I don't know when. I want to get one. That's because that's an EcoBoost. Yeah.
Te lo quiero, güey.
¿Así?
No.
I would, dude. I would want my car like that. What about dogs?
Dogs?
Is it aftermarket cats?
Yeah.
What, the Viper or the McRib? No. The both. I'm gonna have the McRib in the Viper.
Oh. I seen one, like the old ones here in the valley.
I've seen a few of the new ones like at Sonic. I went to a hangout once and one of the guys pulled up in a Viper.
Anytime I see that one, it reminds me of GTA 3 because they had one.
Oh, yeah. What was it called? The Banshee, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was the Banshee.
The Banshee? Oh, good old time.